Good day mga district! This is John again from Johndam District, and for today's video guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang top tips ko when answering paid survey para lagi kang kumita online. Ang first tip ko guys is always complete your profile. Dapat guys, kung meron mga qualifying question, make sure na sagutan nyo yun para madali kayong makakwalify sa isang survey. Next guys is always be honest kasi inconsistent response may disqualify you from answering the survey. Next naman guys is always be consistent. So always guys, yung mga sagot nyo dapat when answering survey matches with your profile. Kasi if there's a mismatch, there's a possibility na madidisqualify kayo sa mismong survey or hindi kayo makakapag-proceed at all. Next guys, use an active email. Kasi most of the time, ang mga surveys is sinesend via email. And of course guys, kapag naka-receive kayo ng email about specific survey, make sure to answer it right away. Kasi may time na yung ibang survey is may hinihingi lang silang number of respondents or responses. So for example, nakuha mo ngayon, tapos sinagutan mo siya after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, there's a fat chance na hindi na kayo makakapag-proceed doon. Kasi most of the time, dapat lahat ng survey na notify sa inyo, dapat sasagutan nyo right away. Next naman guys is avoid speeding when answering your survey. Kasi guys, kapag masyadong mabilis yung pag-answer nyo ng survey, pwedeng itag nila yun as low quality response. So make sure guys to take your time when answering the survey. Make sure to read each survey then or each question. Kasi there are times na paulit-ulit lang din naman yung ibang question. So kapag nagkaroon ng mismatch doon guys, possible hindi makukomplete yung specific survey na tinitake ninyo. And lastly guys, stick with legit platforms lang. So, kailangan guys yung mga legit application or website lang yung mga ina-access nyo or kung saan kayo nagre-register. So, examples guys, yung mga apps na sinishare ko sa inyo sa aking Facebook or YouTube account. So guys, kung gusto nyo makakita pa ng iba't ibang survey sites or other apps that pays, check nyo lang yung aking YouTube channel or Facebook account para makita nyo yung mga legit sites or website na aking sinusubukan muna bago ko i-post. So lahat guys ng mga survey sites at apps that pays ko na pinopost sa YouTube or sa Facebook account ay lahat tested ko. Meaning nakapag-cash out ako bago ko muna i-share sa inyo. And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo sa pag-answer ng mga paid survey at madali kayong kumita online. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Sana nakatulong po. If you have any question, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit and like, subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!